This is the project bin where the imported clips are stored. This is the effects tab. You can apply many effects from here. Here you can view your clips in timeline. This is the timeline where you edit your clips, where you can see applied effects. This here is the rendering button. Click on new project. Select according to your clip. Click on this icon to import clips, or double click here. Select and drag the clip to the timeline. Now we can start editing. To cut a clip, you can just drag one end like this, or you can press X or this icon and left click on the part of the clip you want to cut. To ungroup clips audio or video, select the clip and right click and click on ungroup clips. Or you can just select clip, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus G. To undo your actions, press Ctrl plus Z. And to redo your actions, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Z. In kdenlive, the clip on the topmost track will play first. So sequencing your clips really matter. To pre-render clips for no lag, drag this at the end of the project, then press this icon and wait. To add text, click on this icon, then click on Add Title Clip. You can adjust it as your liking. Drag the title clip in the timeline to use it. To adjust the position of the text, you can just apply the transform effect. To apply, just drag the effect to the clip. To add some fade effect, just click these dots and drag it to your liking. You can add both fade in and fade out. To add transition, just adjust your clip on top of each other. Then click on this purple dot. You can adjust the transition as your liking. To render your video, just click on this render button. Then select the output. You can select the full project. On the zone area. Then select the destination. Press render to file.